going on, guys? So today we got another thing from AdvanBlack. They make liners that fit inside our saddlebags, our tour packs, and you can get the stitching in different colors. They got like red, blue, orange, beige, and black, I believe. So let's go ahead and put a liner in our tour pack. When you get the liner, they send you the liners, which is the head and the lid in the bottom, and then they send you a bunch of the adhesive like Velcro or magic tape or whatever you want to call it. So you'll stick this all around inside your bag. Now I got one for the Keen and one for the razor, so you got to make sure you get the right one. But you're going to want to clean inside here. Use like an alcohol wiper or something, or some Windex with some alcohol or something in it, just to get any kind of grease or anything on there off, because you want your tape to stick as best as it can. So these just fit right up inside there though, real nice. I believe this is the right one. Looks like it. Yeah, I think that's the right one. Now the top is cut out already for the tether. The bottom one is not, but it's got some screws here, you can take it off. So let me go ahead and clean this up and throw some Velcro in. Before I stick this down, before I stick the liner down, I'll show you where I put all my Velcro at, but it's just pretty much how you want it to sit down there. Alright, here's everywhere I put the tape. I probably overdid it, so I put some here and here. I'm just trying to follow the curves. You know, definitely close to the edges. Alright, let's set it in there and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I went ahead and removed the lanyard off there. The tether is just 2 screws. Gotta set it in here. Try to anyway. Let's start from one edge and work our way back. I was trying to start from the middle, but go ahead and just route this through and just have it sitting there. Alright, I'm going to put these 2 screws in real quick. Not too bad. I gotta find a couple spots maybe to put some more in. I gotta put like a piece right here, it looks like. We'll go ahead and do that now. I have to put another little piece right there, it looks like. It's just right behind that spot with the tether. Just kind of making it bulge up. Alright, she looks good. Alright, let's put it on the bike and take some beauty shots.